Always consult your use and care guide and owner's manual for additional information.
It's easy to broil and roast foods when you have the proper tools. This three-piece set includes a roasting rack, broiler grid, and broil pan. Grease does not drain into the broiler pan. Always place the grid on the broiler pan with the ribs up and slots down to allow grease to drip into the pan. The broiler function cooks food at high heat. To begin, set the rack to the uppermost position to ensure the food is as close to the element as possible. For a rare to medium rare steak, set the rack closer to the broiler. Set the rack further down if you want your steaks more evenly cooked all the way through. For chicken, you may want to put your oven rack even lower so that the outside doesn't char before the inside has a chance to cook. When you're ready to cook, select broil on your oven and give it about 5 to 10 minutes to properly heat up. Now for broiling, use the slotted broiler grid to allow heat to circulate and the broiler pan to catch juices and allow for easy cleanup. For roasting, use the roasting rack on top of the broiler grid and broil pan. The rack holds the food above the grid and allows air to circulate completely around all surfaces. The way you position food in your oven can also cause it to smoke. If you are using the broiler, keep in mind that it gets very hot and can easily burn the food and cause it to smoke if it's too close to the heating element. So it's always smart to keep an eye out while using broil. You can also use aluminum foil for fast and easy cleanup, and all parts to this three-piece set are dishwasher safe.